everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. I am back with another video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a glueless wig install, and this wig is a pre-everything wig, so everything is pretty much already done for you. Now the wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from Unice hair, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing just so you guys can see everything that's in the package. So the wig, but I'm not going to show the wig yet. I'm just going to show you guys everything. So you have a wig satin bag. This is where you store your wigs, and also a melting band. And I love the fact they're making the melting bands a lot thinner. And we have two HD wig caps. Absolutely love those. And also a edge brush if you like to do baby hairs. This is a must. All right, so let's get into this wig. This is a 13x4 HD lace real scalp loose wave wig, 24 inches. They even cut the lace, so you really don't have to do anything. This is beginner friendly. Now take a look at the scalp. The scalp, this is their real scalp wig, and I'm so here for this. So with this real scalp mesh, you don't have to wear a wig cap. You also do not have to do the ball cap method. You cannot see the knots. Like, it just looks like it's coming straight out of your scalp, and I love that. This is also a drawstring wig as well. So it does have a drawstring, which I really love the drawstring wigs. I love the ones that also has the elastic band. So it does have the elastic bands and the drawstring. So you know that wig is gonna lay down flat. And this is a glueless wig, and it is beginner friendly. Now they also provided some tapes, so we're gonna be using the tape method as well. Realistically, I don't need to even wear a wig cap. I don't need to do a ball cap method. So if you don't like wearing wig caps, you definitely don't have to wear one. Personally, I wear wig cap because I don't have cornrows. I have like braids, and I have to use a lot of gel and edge control to like flatten my hair down because I don't know how to do cornrows. So that's why I wear my wig cap, to keep my hair as flat as possible under my wigs. But if you have cornrows, you really don't have to do this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop this wig on my head just so we can see how it's looking straight out of the box. And I've already kind of like adjusted the straps on here. I was gonna say the straps. Now I do have a roller in here, and I like the fact that they curl the wig for you, so I don't have to really curl it, but I probably will curl it just a little bit more because it's been sitting in the box, right? And then the front has a roller for you already because they cut the layers. Like, yeah, this wig has layers in it, and I absolutely love the center part layered look. And we also have the drawstring, which I'm gonna loosen up a bit for now. Once you adjust the drawstring, I'm just gonna put the drawstring, the part that's hanging out under the wig, so you're not able to see that. Okay, so it's sitting a little low. I'm gonna remove this just so I can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so it is actually nice and centered, and that hairline is looking really good. As you can see, lace looks really good on this wig. And yeah, I don't have to cut it at all, so I love that. Now, as for the actual curls, I do have to go in and fix that up just a little bit. Love, love, love the layers. All right, let me just get up close just so you guys can actually see the parting, and you can see the scalp. So it has that scalp-like look because it has the mesh under the wig. So realistically, you really don't need to add anything to it. You don't need to do the ball cap method. It looks really good. Now, I think this wig is perfect for a beginner, especially if you're not familiar with applying wigs with glue. I think this is perfect for you because this is beginner friendly and it's super easy to apply. Like, literally, that's all I did, just slap it on my head. I haven't even put the tape down as yet, and this is just such an easy, ready to wear wig. So I'm just gonna go actually off camera for a second because I just want to make sure that it's centered properly in my bigger mirror, because I have like this little mirror here. So I'm actually gonna cut right here because it kind of covers my ear just a tad bit, and I don't want that. I want the wig to fit just comfortably on my head. So I do have to cut that part just a little. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that. Hopefully you guys can see. Just like that, super easy. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and just stick that down like so. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side as well. And realistically, I don't need any products here. I just need like something to hold the ear down. Okay, so it looks really good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna use any melting spray to melt down the lace. The lace actually looks really good. And because it's HD lace and I do have makeup on my forehead, I feel like I don't really need to tint it because my makeup is already coming off onto the lace. So it's giving it that realistic, it matches my skin look. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my hair clip just to clip the hair out of the way and grab that melting band. Just a little bit of that mousse. Actually, I should have put it on my finger. Gonna put it where I put the tape because I just don't want the liquid to like lift it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for about like 10 to 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that. Ooh, she's melted. She is melted. And I just want you guys to see that you can part the hair. It is versatile. So the scalp, the fake scalp goes all the way. All right, so let me just go ahead and just start styling this wig. Now, first things first, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb because we are going to flatten this wig down just a wee bit. I mean, I think it actually looks pretty flat already. Now you can use the roller that comes with it, or you can use a curling iron. I just wanna speed up the process of my curls. By the way, I love these overnight blowouts. When you sleep with them and you wake up in the morning, your hair. Okay, I'm gonna leave this in for a few minutes. Usually, again, like I said, you leave it overnight, but my curling iron is not working right now. Listen, it wasn't even in my hair that long and it definitely added some volume and I'm here for it. So this is pretty much the completed look and this is how the wig looks once the hair is down. I absolutely love how this turned out. I love the layers on this wig. All right, so yeah, this is how the wig looks down. I just want you guys to see it, take that in, because I'm gonna switch it up now. So I'm gonna do a half up, half down hairdo and I don't want it to look super neat, so it's kind of messy. And I'm going to use a claw clip. Now I prefer to use a black one, but I couldn't find my black one. I had to use the white one. But yeah, this is pretty much how it's looking and it's really easy and simple, nothing too complicated here. And I just wanted to take out a bit more hair in the front, like add some more bangs to it because I just want a bit more. So I like it better like this. Now I'm going to do a quick updo messy bun situation as well. This wig is super versatile. So now I'm going to go ahead and just pick the hair up and then I'm going to pin everything up and yeah, and leave some bangs out as well. And this is how it is looking. I absolutely love this pin-up style as well. Again, it's just a messy updo, not hard to do, super easy. I love how versatile this wig is. And again, it is glueless. So yeah, this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.